Hello students, our today's topic is recurring document. Recurring documents are the ones which are same in posting and are repeated periodically. Recurring documents are normally used to enter accruals and deferrals into SAP system. For that we can use transaction code FBD1 or by path SAP S, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, रेफरेंस डॉक्यूमेंट एंड रिकरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट सैप में देखते हैं. अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, जनरल लेजर, डॉक्यूमेंट एंट्री, रेफरेंस डॉक्यूमेंट एंड रिकरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट. Click on account model. Okay, firstly we will enter the details. We will create the date or 1 May to 1 June. Interval in months, every 4 months. And run date on 1. Okay, first we will change the interval in months to per month. Value is not applied. Okay, the dialog field is just a display field. The selected entry is a domain interval. Document type SA. Now click on account assignment model. Press enter. Select our account assignment model. Enter distribution here 10,000 to 10,000. Debit and credit. Press enter and then click on save button. Come back. Just go back. FKMT, enter model, click on display change, list. Here we have to assign 50. Okay, now come back. Again go to FBD1, enter our date, interval in months 1, run date 1. Now use document type, then click on account assignment model, press enter, click on continue button, enter amount 10,000, debit credit distribution 10,000, press enter and now click on save button. Now we will process recurring document. For processing, we can use transaction code F.15 or by path SAP S, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, periodic processing, recurring entries and list. which SAP में देखते हैं. Come back. Okay. SAP S, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, periodic processing, recurring entries and F.15 list. Enter our company code and fiscal year. Then click on execute button. देखो यहाँ पर हमारी एंट्री पोस्ट हो गई है. Now we will classify GL account for document splitting. Come back. SPRO. SAP Reference Implementation Guide. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transaction, document splitting, and classify GL account document splitting. Enter our chart of account and check our number is 1100. We will change to 99999. Press enter and then click on save button. Continue. Yes. Now select on request and select our old defined document splitting characteristics. Define classify GL account. Select it and then click on continue button.